It's brutal out there, isn't it? Every day feels like the investing game is rigged, like someone else's win is your loss. You watch the market dance, you chase returns, and you're left wondering, is all this just a zero-sum battle? Does someone have to lose every time you gain? That gnawing fear, the frustration of seeing others thrive while you're stuck, the crushing thought that growth might just be a myth, they haunt every step you take. But here's the harsh truth nobody tells you. The world you believe in, the game you think you're playing, it's built on shaky assumptions. The system isn't just flawed, it's designed to trap you in cycles where you're either prey or spectator. Now, ask yourself, are you going to accept that? Or are you going to tear down those walls? Because investing isn't a zero-sum game unless you let it be. The moment you believe that growing your wealth means squeezing someone else dry, you're handing over your power. The real opportunity lies hidden behind that illusion. Investing can be the gateway to a world that expands, that breaks old rules, that creates value instead of just shifting it around. But to unlock it, stop thinking like a player constrained by the game. Start thinking like a creator rewriting it. Step 1. Abandon the belief that the market is a battlefield where there's only one winner. Start identifying constructive investments, those that don't just promise quick returns, but actually fuel new technologies, reshape industries, and build foundations for future growth. Stop chasing the latest hot stock or trendy crypto moonshots like a racehorse chasing carrots. Find companies and ideas that solve real problems, solutions that make the world bigger, richer, and better. Your capital isn't just money, it's a weapon against stagnation. Step 2. Leverage your network, not as a passive list of contacts, but as a living, breathing organism of collaboration. Investors hoarding information are losing more than they know. Connect relentlessly, but don't just gather. You synergize. Align with founders who dare to defy limits, with partners hungry to build, not just to take. This is how isolated power turns into unstoppable momentum. Your edge isn't just in what you know, but in who you empower, and who empowers you in return. Step 3. Challenge every assumption you hold about risk and reward. The blind worship of safety kills growth. Betting on certainty is a slow death of potential. Real investing demands courage, a readiness to embrace calculated unknowns with laser focus. Dive deep into industries most are too complacent or afraid to touch. Scrum into emerging fields where the rules are still being made. Don't settle for playing by yesterday's scripts. Create new markets, new values, new futures. Step 4. See capital not as a tool for personal accumulation, but as fuel for transformation. The system celebrates the hoarders. Now it's time to celebrate the transformers. Invest with a mission beyond profits. Invest to reshape reality. The power you wield is to fund breakthroughs, to dare the impossible, to chase impact that reverberates for generations. This mindset shifts investing from competition to creation, the ultimate game changer. Finally, jettison the tribal comforts that limit your view. National borders, outdated identities, social status, these are chains. Freedom lies in transcending them, operating globally, thinking in possibilities, not barriers. The future is not owned by anyone. It's a collective canvas painted by those bold enough to claim their place beyond limits. You're not just an investor. You're a pioneer carving a new world where growth isn't fought for, but built together. Every minute you hesitate, the illusion tightens its grip. But those who burn inside with the hunger to rise, to break free, to see the deeper reality, those few will rewrite the rules. They will turn investing from a game of slicing pies into a limitless canvas of creation. The question isn't whether investing is zero-sum or growing. It's whether you will be part of the few who transcend the old world or get trapped inside it forever. So move. Break the pattern. Invest boldly in growth that matters. Build connections that multiply free power. Dare the unknown without fear. And fund futures more ambitious than any status quo can contain. The game is yours to remake. Don't waste a second doubting it.